Reading aloud to you, Pete the Cat, 5 Little Pumpkins. Written and illustrated by James Dean. 5 Little Pumpkins. Sitting on a gate, the first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." The fifth one said, "I'm ready for some fun." Ooh, ooh, went the wind. And out went the lights. And the 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight. Happy Halloween! The end. I hope you enjoyed this story for Halloween. For more stories, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a lovely day.